Umunem daalụ n'ụtụtụ ọma m. Ndị onyinyo nke ememe tata ga-adị nkenke ọma dị ogologo maka na nye nchọka ntị ọnụ kemena unu n'ebanye anya bụ onye ọ bụ n'okwu just nwa nchọnchọ okwu dị nta mana okwu dị mkpa ka ọ bụ nye nchọka anyị n'anya bụ kime o ji bụ na wepụcha eziokwu n'ishu akwụkwọ beni mwepụcha nye bụ eziokwu gbaa unu dola anya ka o si kwesị isi dị na nye ọ ga-ahụzi bụ mkparị ndị akpụ iyi akpọme ya bụ na eziokwu adị ụnụ mmadụ ka ọ bụ gịnị na ntụ ka ụnụ achọ ntụ ka ụnụ chọ karịa eziokwu ka ọ bụ eziokwu ka ụnụ chọ karịa ntụ. For close to one generation or 50 years now or thereabout, people have been peddling rumor, falsehood, claims that we are descendants of Benin, that all the communities in Enuani, you see some of the videos that I've posted, where they boldly claim that most of the communities, some will say 80%, some will say 90%, are from Benin. Now that I've started bringing out proof that even the communities very close to this Benin are not under the influence of the Oba, and they were not from Benin, I expected intellectual responses like people coming out with facts to prove me wrong. But what do I see? Insult, iPop bingo, Biafra, all kinds of denigratory names, unity beggars. I expected to see facts to back up the claims that people had, including those who have dedicated WhatsApp and Facebook platforms where they insult Igbos of Western Niger. I expected to see evidences that yes, we are the one who instituted your monarchy. This was when our Oba came to institute so monarch of so time. These are the things that I expected to see, but I didn't see them. Rather, I have shown you evidence of your own Oba visiting my own kingdom to complete his own coronation. So you see how very fast lies can expire. Because every lie has an expiry date. Only truth remains. Every lie you tell in this world has its own expiry date. All the lies have now expired. And people who told the lies have resorted to insult. Instead of insulting me, take that time to do research, do videos, come to the platform, whatever I have posted, you counter it. Yesterday I brought you some historical facts that after marriage, a woman goes back to her father's house for as long as a period of maybe 3 years. This period enables them to check if the husband is worth it. If he's not worth it, they return by price and the woman continues her life. Marriage should not be a death sentence for any woman. I expected people once again to say this is not our culture, so that I will show you that it is your culture. I will show you evidences and documents and proofs that is your culture. When we established this platform, we intended it intentionally to be a cerebral platform. A platform where people can come and express their scholarly ideas, not a place where you come to insult people and throw tantrums. You can do that on any other platform, not on this platform. This morning I woke up to somebody insulting another commenter on my page, calling him a mumu. Said I shouldn't censor him, it should be Facebook censoring him. No, I will censor you first. If I cannot take responsibility for the comments made on my platform, then I'm not worthy to be an admin. This is a very cerebral platform, an intellectual platform, if you need a clearer explanation. So, anything you see on this platform that you feel is not true, counter it with evidence, counter it with proof, because we cannot bring you things we don't have proof for. The ones who are not sure of will say it is likely that this thing has happened. People say this thing has happened, but the ones who are very sure of will tell you this is how it is. You can see that with time, all those people who throw tantrums have disappeared. So that's the stage, that's the pedestal I want us to be on and continue to build on. This is an intellectual platform. The least, at least, I can say I have is BTech, Bachelor in Technology. I'm a science student. I believe in processes, logical explanations that lead to a definite result. I cannot just come and throw historical data upon you. Some of them I have taken time to cross-check, counter-check, see other people's viewpoints, compare them before I bring them to you. So anytime I bring an idea to you on this platform, I will have 2 or 3 sources to back it up. This is just what I want to share with us. If you have ideas too, you bring to us. If you see where people are spoiling our names, tell us. If the thing is not factual, we'll correct it with evidence. That's how far we have gone. This remains an intellectual platform, and I'm encouraging you once again to do 2 things for me. Follow our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is Enuani Cultural Forum, and I'm going to share it here again for you to follow our YouTube channel, please. We cannot continue to maintain a singular platform where if anything goes wrong, we are off the internet. But if we maintain 2 or 3 platforms, we can have alternatives. It's not everything that we can discuss here as well, because the restrictions on different platforms are different. The other platform that I have told you to follow our subscribe to our channel has, you have seen the link that I shared. Please use that link, utilize that link to follow our channel on YouTube, please. As many as you are seeing this video, please, I'm begging you, I'm encouraging you, I'm pleading with you to follow our YouTube channel. We cannot have close to 50,000 followers here on Facebook and just 2,000 plus on YouTube. Let's grow that YouTube channel so that sometimes when we can do a long stretch, maybe 2 hours video, we can be on YouTube and stream for 2 hours, so that if anybody has a counter evidence you want to bring, you bring it, we argue it out with you, and we come to a logical conclusion, not insult each other. The people who come here to throw tantrums, I've seen some of them are fake profiles. You don't have to hide under any fake accounts. Come out with your real face, just like I'm coming out with my real face. The other day, somebody accused me of being a faceless individual, declared me a persona non grata. I came online, I explained to him, they believe I am Igbo, but I am Igbo from across the Niger, and that's why I am promoting Igbo unity. No. Name boy wash Nadim boya wanted made umo jukobi na obuluku abu mumu olise umo obi olise gambo. When you see me wearing red cap, is not fashion, because I am royalty, true and true. I am a pure royal blood, unadulterated Ezemu blood. When I mention to some of them that I am Nwa Ezemu Bolo, go to the Oba's palace and ask. You don't even need to ask if you are a Benin person. You cannot ask who is Ezemu Bolo at all. You cannot ask who is Ezemu Bolo if you are truly, genuinely a Benin person. And my aim of founding this platform is not to insult or denigrate the Benin Kingdom. No, we were allies. If my ancestors were wise enough to be allies with Benin Kingdom, I cannot in my own age now come to denigrate them. But I will not sit and watch them reduce our kingdom to what it wasn't. If our ancestors could not bow to the Oba, why will I in this age be doing so? My own ancestors did not do so. Why will I be doing so if I am truly royalty? Our ancestors busowaya bobno ogaya lue. Our ancestors busowaya they can get sozuwe na buisinan Niger na azuzu aka na ekpekpele na ario biko. Okay, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's 1. And 2, please, we presented to you an opportunity to do business with our real estate company, Enuani Mega City Estate. Enuani Mega City Estate is doing a Christmas discount sales. It's just located after Isela Zaba Junction. If you're heading to Ubulokiti towards Iseluku, just along the road, about less than 10 minutes drive from Asaba International Airport, you get to Enuani Mega City Estate. A plot of land there now is selling for as low as 12 million naira, but price will not be the reason why you fail to purchase a piece of land there if you are really interested in it. I am promising you that from now to the end of December, that's my agreement with them. Once it's end of December, I don't have any business promoting sales of land in that place anymore. So I'm using this opportunity to call on you. If you have interest in acquiring property around Asaba, come to my inbox, send a message to me, let me guide you. If price that I mentioned so of around 12 million naira is the problem, we can negotiate it down to where it will be suitable for you to acquire a property and be part of Enuani Mega City Estate.